All right, welcome back to Matt's Math and More. Today we're working on homework 8-1, which is converting within the metric system of measurement. And it is kind of a review lesson. We did metric system earlier in the year, but we're going to set up the whole chart again and take a relook at how you convert between meters, liters, grams, and how you look at all the various conversions inside the metric system. Don't be scared. It's not so bad. It's not like you're being attacked by aliens and there's a giant spaceship coming after you or anything. You can do this. Okay, so after looking at my last slide, I realized that you couldn't see any of this. So I flip-flopped my slides because I'm too lazy to go redo the whole thing. So anyway, in a second, you're going to see how I drew this chart. Anyway, here's the unit in the middle. Keep that in mind while I'm drawing the chart because you're going to watch my hand doing something and you can't see it. And then I drew 3 lines this way, and then I drew skip line, line, skip line, line, and I did it this way too, and then you're going to see that in the next slide. Keep in mind this is what it looks like. King Henry doesn't usually, that's the unit, drink chocolate milk. Now enjoy watching my hand. Okay, quick review. In class today, we made what I call a King Henry chart. Anyway, we're just working on the metric system. I think it would be easiest if you make one of these at home to answer tonight's questions. Really, all you got to do is get yourself a piece of paper. I'll show you with the marker. We put U in the center for a unit. That could be meters, liters, or grams. That's the great part about the metric system. The unit is pretty much whichever one you want, and it's all the same. 1 meter, 1 liter, 1 gram, doesn't matter. And then draw 3 lines this way. So skip a line, draw a line. See, skip a line, draw a line, and skip a line, and draw a line. That will help you stay organized. Like I've been saying, organization's your key to success here. Skip a line, draw a line, skip a line, draw a line, and believe it or not, you skip a line, draw a line. And then it goes back to something we studied at the beginning of the year, the metric system. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk, which stands for kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. Okie doke, so now you're ready to start the homework. Keep in mind, you always know that in between the unit and the deci, DECI, this is where your decimal point goes because the decimal point says this is the start of your decimals. And when we're doing this, you're just moving the decimal point left or right. If you're going this way on your line, you're moving your decimal point to the right because this is your right. If you're moving this way, you're moving your decimal point. Anybody? Anybody? Yes. Yes, your left. You're exactly right because that's your left. Very good. So now, homework might have something like this. 804 centimeters equals how many meters? Oh my goodness. So, well, here's my starting point, 804 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm working with meters, it would go right here, 804. That's my centimeters. Now, I suggest just filling out the whole chart so you're starting to get used to how this chart works. Let me show it to you. I'm going to get a different color here. How about the color? Oh, hold on a minute. I'm getting paged from the office. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so now that we spoke to the office, I have all my ducks in a row. Everything's good. You can fill in this whole chart, really, like 804. So if you know the decimal is always at the end of the number, so how many millimeters would be 804, and then you move it one more 0. If you're going this way, the decimal point would go 1 over, so 80.4 decameters, 8.04 meters. And then you could keep going, 0.804, 0.0804. See, decimal is just moving one place every time. 0.00804. All these are equivalent. They're all equal the same amount. But you're just moving the decimal place either one place to the right or one place to the left, depending on the power of 10. So you're getting larger, larger or smaller by 1 power of 10. So in other words, you go back to your homework question, 804 centimeters is how many meters? Well, I started here, and here's my meters. Oh, it's 8.04 meters. I think it would be easiest if you just fill in the whole chart every time. That way you're just kind of getting used to how one of these charts work. I'll give you one more example. How about if I have 3.91 centimeters? Okay, equals how many? We'll go with kilometers. Holy cow, that's kind of strange one. 3.91 centimeters. So go to the centimeters, start with 3.91. Put it in the correct column. Now you can just fill in the whole chart. It's getting larger by 1 going this way, so 39.1. Now you can just move one place to the left, 2 places to the left. So 0.391, 0.0391, 0.00391. So you just went one more place. 0.000391. Whoo! 0.000391. They're all equivalent, just compared to the a different power of 10. So if you want to know how many 3.91 centimeters is the same as, oh boy, I don't even know how to say this, 0.000391 kilometers. It's real small. Real small. Anyway, these are equivalent. Ooh, giant spaceship coming after me.